there is a nice verse of Bilvamangala Thakur. He lived for 700 years in Vrindavan, and he became a great devotee of Krishna. In the beginning, he was an impersonalist. His life is very nice. It is better to cite his life. He was a South Indian Brahmin, a very rich man, and very much sensual. He kept one prostitute. So he was so much, devoted to the prostitute that he was performing his father's death ceremony, and he was asking the priest, please make haste, I have to go. When prostitutes are used. So he was a very rich man, a priestly anyway. He finished that business. Then there was ceremony. He took very nice food stuff in a bag and he was going to that prostitute's house. But when he came out of his home, it was raining torrently. So he never cared for that raining. He went to the riverside. There was no boat, and the river was waving. The waves were very furious. And he thought, how can I go to the other side? He was daily going to the other side of the river. Then, anyway, he crossed over by swimming. Then the prostitute thought, it is today raining, and he may not come. So he blocked the door and went to sleep. And when he came to the house, he saw the door is blocked, and it was raining still. So how can I go? He crossed over the wall by catching one snake. Just see how much intensely he was attacked. And went to the prostitute, and she was astonished. Well, Bilvamangala, his name was Bilvamangala. How do they have to come here like this? He described, yes, I did this. So the prostitute was astonished. Her name was Chintan. So the prostitute said, my dear Bilvamangala, if you have got so intense love for me, had it been for God, for Krishna, how would have been your life sublime? That's striking. Yes. He at once left and went out. Yes, you are right. Then he was Vrindavan, where he saw another beautiful woman, because he has practiced to that habit. So he was going behind. Although he determined, now I am going to Vrindavan. On the way, he was again attracted by another woman. So he followed that woman. That woman belonged to a respectable family. So he came, and the woman said to her husband, sir, this man is following me. Please ask, what is the idea? The husband asked, my dear sir, you appear to be a very nice gentleman, and you belong to a very isolated family. From your appearance, I understand. What do you want? You are following my wife. He said, yes, I am following your wife because I want to embrace her. Oh, you want to embrace? Come on, embrace. Come on, you are welcome. Come on. So, the wife also, see, here is a guest. He wants to embrace you and kiss you. So, please decorate yourself nicely so that he may enjoy. So the wife also followed the instruction of his husband, because wife's duty is to follow the instruction. And when Bilvamangala came before the woman, he said, "My dear mother, will you kindly give your hairpins?" Yes. Why? I have got some business. He took the hairpin and at once pierced his eye. So this eye is my enemy. And he became blind. He became blind. Then all of them, that's all right. Now, no more I shall be disturbed. So in that blindness, he was financing austerity in Bilvamangala. So by the grace of Krishna, Krishna came like a boy. "Oh, my dear child, why you are starving? Why don't you take some milk?" "Oh, who are you, my dear boy?" "Oh, I am a boy and this village. I am a cowherd boy. If you like, I can give you daily some milk." All right, very good. So Krishna was supplying him milk. So there was friendship. And he has written that bhakti is such a thing that mukti mukalitanjali sevati asmat. Mukti is nothing for me. So this is his verse. Mukti mukalitanjali sevati asmat. So we have no desire for mukti. When Krishna comes to supply milk, then what is the use of my mukti? So that's a great soul, Bilvamangala Thakura. It is worth to remember his name. For 700 years he lived in Vrindavan, and he has written a nice book which is called Krishna Consciousness. That is a very authoritative book, Krishna Consciousness. Lord Chaitanya picked up this book and he recommended all his devotees to read that Krishna Consciousness.